Let's see how you can easily build an immigration AI assistant that can answer any sort of questions about the immigration process over there. So here we have a document with all the information about this particular immigration to USA. So this is just an example we just created using the AI. So here it has all the information right here as well. So whenever a particular customer asks any sort of question, it will simply respond to them based on the information we have provided right here. So here I'm in a demo account with all these channels connected. So whatever the AI chatbot we built here will simply work on all these separate channels right here. So let me go to the flow section over here and let me create a new flow, and let me say AI immigration chatbot. Click continue. So here we have to actually start with an action. So currently the starting step is set to this particular send message right here. So we can actually add an action over here and make this as a starting step. So let me delete this for now, and here you have to add an action related to OpenAI. So here if you see OpenAI, so it's important to connect your own API keys via settings, integrations, choose OpenAI ChatGPT and connect your API keys from the OpenAI platform to use the AI automation right here. So here you can grab the API keys from here, and once you connected your API keys right here, you will see this sort of window. So likewise you can actually use other AI models such as Google Gemini, Cloud, XAI, DeepSeek as well. So here let me just use OpenAI right here. Click on OpenAI, and here let me say generate text advanced over here, and here you can choose whatever the models you want to use. So let me choose GPT 4.1 Nano, and here you have to add all the information right here. So here we have that particular information over here. So let me copy this information and paste that information right here. All right, so here we have pasted all the information right here. So here the user message will be tracked via last input, so you can keep as it is, and where you want to save the response generated by the AI. So for example, when a user asks some sort of questions, it will answer or generate a response using this particular information we have provided, and also where you want to save that information so that you can actually later send that particular AI response to the customer. So here let me use the existing field right here. So let me say AI output or something like that. So let me say AI output, and here you can keep other things as it is and click continue. All right, so now if it is successful, we can simply send that particular response to the user. So here let me choose AI output. All right, so if it is successful, it will simply send the response to the user. So this is a very simple AI automation we have just created. So let me publish this one, and you also need to make this particular flow as a default flow as well. For that you have to go to settings over here. So let me go to the settings over here and choose the default flow as the flow we just created and save it. So now this particular AI chatbot can simply answer any sort of questions about this particular immigration right here. Let me test this on WhatsApp over here. So let me share my phone screen over here. I'm in the WhatsApp right here, and let me ask about what is L1 visa. So here let me say what is an L1 visa. So here it should actually answer the question based on the information we have here. It's for employees transferring to US branch of their current position. So here type of work visa for employees transferring within the same company to a US branch. There are two categories, L1A, L1B, and this visa allows multi-national companies to transfer their key employees to the United States. Let me ask one more question. How long can I stay with H1B visa? So let me say how long can I stay on an H1B visa? So here up to initially 3 years, then renewable up to 6 years. So here we received response right here. These responses are generated using the information we have right here. So this can also automatically transfer the chat to the human as well. So here if we go to the unified inbox over here, we can track all the conversation happened over here. So here it says chatting media and bot is active, so all these responses are generated by a bot. So here in the inbox you have these folders: all conversation, bot, human. So human means those conversation has to be handled by the human agents. So now if we got the bot, this particular chat is handled by the bot because bot is active. So now if I ask a question or ask the bot to transfer the conversation to the human, it will do that as well. So let me say, can I talk with an agent please? So now it should actually deactivate the bot and send a response to them. I have a human agent has been connected to Azure. They will get back to you shortly. So here, as you can see here, the bot is active, is gone. So now if we go to the human folder, we should see this particular chat moved right here, chatting media. So if we go to the bot folder, you don't see that particular chat because it's in the human folder. So from this unified inbox, a human agent can easily send any sort of messages as well. So let me send this message right here, and the customer will receive it right here. Simple as that. So that's a quick video on how you can easily build an AI assistant for immigration process. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.